Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at VVS Finance. Actually, I'm starting the DeFi wallet here at crypto.com, and I'm heading over to VVS Finance. We want to take a look at the Crow. We're at 44 cents. Bitcoin's at 40K. Kind of holding steady. No big changes today. But big news in VVS Finance land. So stay tuned. Make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end to make sure you learn everything that I have to tell you. So, first things first, let's go look at the mine. Now, I know a lot of people have been saying they've been panicking. Panic in the streets. Oh no, where did our tonic mine go? It's gone. Yes, the tonic mine was complete. And now you need to go get your tonic. So, we're in the mine, and we tab over here to the finish side, and just like the beefy, alright, which I didn't do, is the expired, now finished tonic mine. So, first thing we gotta do is we gotta harvest. Now, it's unfortunate that it only made 61 cents because it's going to cost a crow to harvest. So, I didn't really make much. So, I'm going to unstake everything. I'm going to confirm. And it's going to cost 0.61 crow to unstake. So, this is a net loss for me, unfortunately. So, hopefully in the future, I will be better at doing this calculation because I thought I was going to hit the break even, but I didn't. Oh, it looks like the network is congested. Please try again. Oh, I wonder if that means I got to pay another set of crow. So, I'm going to harvest this tonic. It's going to cost a crow. When crow, I just told you guys, was 44 cents. I've only made 61 cents of tonic. So, that's a very, very small net profit. But at least it went through, so that's good. Next thing I want to try to do is I'm going to try to unstake my stake here in the mine, and now it's only going to cost 0.4 crow. Hopefully the network's not quite as congested as it was. I guess these fees are very dependent on how busy the network is. So hopefully it's not as busy right now. I know it's only been a couple minutes, but no, it's still a problem. Not awesome. Alright guys, well, I'll have to come back later and unstake that. But right now, what I want to go look at is a new farm. Now you gotta go all the way to the bottom, and it's called VVS Tonic. Now this farm is going to be a multi-yield farm. It's going to yield both tonic and VVS simultaneously. So, while I'm not impressed with either of these tokens and their performance, I do like them both, sort of. Okay, let me explain. So, VVS, yes, is the base currency here on VVS Finance, and it's used for everything. Tonic, right? You can see, there is a lot of tonic out there. And both tokens, have multi-billions of coins available, and they're only going up. They're not going down. So it's definitely inflationary. Is this a good deal? 106%? Hard to say. So once I get unstake my VVS and tonic out of that mine, I'm going to put it back into here. So be sure you guys stay subscribed. If you're not subscribed already to my channel, go subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Super easy to do. Smash that like button while you're there. And you can see my strategy going forward here on VVS Finance. along with the rest of crypto.com and cryptocurrency in general. So that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.